The eclipse lasted only a few minutes, but one frame did not belong there. The moon covered the sun completely. Then, a second shadow appeared beside it. Not below it, not behind it, beside it. For less than 1 second, long enough for the satellite to see it, and too clear to ignore. At first, it looked like a camera artifact, a dark circle caught inside the glare. But the ground telescope saw it too. Then the orbital camera confirmed the same shape. 2 different angles, 2 separate instruments, 1 impossible shadow. The eclipse had not revealed the moon alone. It had revealed something beside it. A solar physicist reopened the frame that night. The first comparison was simple. Mercury did not match. Venus did not match. No known asteroid crossed that path. Then the object's angle was measured. That was when the room went quiet. The shadow was moving the wrong way. The object appeared near the sun's blind zone, a region most telescopes avoid looking into directly, not because it is empty, because it is too bright. Solar glare can erase almost anything beside it. A planet, a fragment, or something designed to stay hidden there. The first explanation almost worked. Maybe it was a passing asteroid. Maybe it was a sensor reflection. Maybe the satellite had captured damaged light. So the team checked every known object, every orbit, every transit, every predicted solar crossing. Nothing arrived at the right place. Nothing moved at the right speed. Then the older eclipse data was opened. The same shadow had appeared before, not clearly, not long enough to notice, but enough to leave a pattern. It had crossed near the sun before, and each time it came from the same forbidden angle. The object was not random. It was returning. The investigation moved away from Earth. First, the team searched lunar archives. One old surface frame showed gray dust and long shadows. Then a circular darkness crossed the ground. It was faint, almost invisible, but the curve matched the eclipse frame. The moon had seen it too. Then the Mars archive changed the search. A rover had recorded a pale sun through dust. For 3 frames, a dark disk crossed it. Too clean for dust, too round for a storm, and too perfectly aligned to be ignored. The object had not only passed Earth, it had crossed another world's sky. The third clue came from an icy moon. A probe had photographed cracked blue-white ice. Beneath the surface, a curved reflection appeared. It matched the same orbital angle. Earth had seen a shadow. The moon had seen a shadow. Mars had seen a transit, and the outer system had reflected its edge. That was when the discovery stopped being local. When every clue was placed on one map, the pattern appeared. Not a straight line, not a random crossing. A hidden orbit. It curved close to the sun, then vanished inside the glare. Again and again. The object was not missing from the solar system. It was hiding in the brightest part of it. For a moment, the answer seemed simple. An unknown dark planet. A captured body moving through an unusual orbit, large enough to cast a shadow, dark enough to disappear near the sun. It was strange, but still possible. Until the next image arrived. The solar observatory did not capture the full object. It captured only the edge. But the edge was the problem. It was not smooth. It did not curve like rock. Faint, straight segments crossed its surface, repeated, measured, almost engineered. The hidden planet theory began to fail. The object may not have been a planet at all, not in the way we understand one. It appeared natural from a distance, but near the sun, its surface told another story. Parts of it looked altered, as if something had been built over something older. A body using sunlight as camouflage. A shadow hidden inside the brightest place we know. Not invisible, just perfectly placed. The discovery did not prove who made it. It did not explain why it was there. But it changed the question. Maybe the object was never lost. Maybe it was never meant to be found. And maybe the only reason we saw it was because the moon briefly turned off the light. The final reconstruction placed an astronaut near Earth's orbit. The sun burned behind the visor. The reflection showed the moon, the corona, and one small shadow beside it. Still there, still moving, still hidden in plain sight.